Good morning, everyone. This is Hemant studying second class in Sri Niketan English Medium School, Gorinta. Today, today my seminar topic is solar system. We have several galaxies in our universe. Our galaxy is Milky Way. In this galaxy, our solar system, there are 8 planets in our solar system. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Thank you, everyone.